So what we're going to do is we're going to run through these different items on the drop-down menu because those are going to be the order in which you generally encounter them. But let's talk just a couple of seconds about the functionality of the teleprompter, which is threefold. What you want to do is you can manage your message to the auto call campaign. And once again, this is your short message that is left on the answering machine of the business that you're calling. You can edit the scripts on the fly. You'll be able to change the font size, change the speed of the scroll. Also, you can repurpose the scripts. So what will happen if you're using basically the same script for another industry or for different clients in a different market, you can go in and edit it and then save it as a new file, and you can label it such so that you recognize, what the script has been repurposed for. And the fourth thing is controlling time parameters. So if you want to put together a 20-second spot, you can watch the timer as you record it, and to make sure that it's lean and mean and it's down to the 20 seconds that you wanted it to be. Okay, so first of all, let's upload the teleprompter script. So we're going to click here, and then it's going to ask us, what script do we want to select? So we're going to click on here, and then we're going to go to desktop, and then we're going to go to condo script, which is right here. That's the one we're going to use. And then you can see what we're going to do is we're just going to call this condo script. It's the best thing to do is to put the same name in both of them, or you can put some added dialogue in there so that you're making sure that you can recognize this. There is a search tool if you lose it, but it's always easier to do it this way. Then what we want to do is we want to upload the script, and this is going to take a few seconds. Now, once it's uploaded, you'll be able to go view teleprompter scripts, and if you click on the drop-down menu, you can see that this is where we are. So once again, once you've uploaded your script, it automatically defaults and goes to the view teleprompter script. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right down to the bottom of the page, and you can see it says condo script. It says a couple of times because I was fooling around and I uploaded it before. So we're just going to get rid of this one here. So then you can see there's only one condo script, and you can see the time it's recorded. If you want to edit it, you can. You can download it, like let's say you made this script up on the fly and it is saved in LeadMate, but you don't have a hard copy for your files, and you should always make a hard copy of what you're going to be using. And you can download the script and then just save it into your proper file. And if it is something that is wrong, you can just delete it right there. Okay, so what we're going to do next is, you can see we're going to go up here and we're going to go down to the audio recording with the teleprompter. So you have three options here. You can upload it, just as I've shown you. You can choose one of the scripts that you already have. So we have our condo script that we've saved. All these scripts here are scripts that you have written and put into your LeadMate, and they are saved in your LeadMate. And the third way to do it is to go into the word processing box, and you can just put in here, can we add a script? Okay, now obviously you're going to be putting in something more elaborate than that, but all you need to do is put that in, and you can use these word processing tools to change it and do whatever you need to do. But what we're going to do today, okay, so you've got three things there: uploading it from some other file, picking a script that you've already uploaded, or writing one on the go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here, and we can see that we have our teleprompter script. So we're going to click on that, and you notice here it populates this this screen area, and it also goes down here. Now this area, the black with white text, this is the area that is going to actually scroll for you when you do your teleprompter audio recording. So what we're going to do here is we can see this says the condominium is located in Wongamat Beach. Now what we're going to do is this is going to be a little too much to catch that, and it's all jumbled together. So what we're going to do here is we're going to increase this to 18, and then on the Gulf of Thailand, and we're going to get rid of this line here. Okay, wait a second here. We're going to get rid of this line here because we want to do this in about 20 seconds. So you can do it, like if you want to make it longer, it doesn't matter. Okay, so then we've got here, I have a lot more information on this. See, I have a lot more information on this and other condos. So we're going to put the S in there, and then you'll notice that when you edit this, it also changed this to condos. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to start the teleprompter. So now you can see that we're on the screen that is actually where you're going to start your recording. So you can see down here it says start recording. You can pause your recording while you do something. Then after you stop your recording, you can play it to see how it sounds. If it's not up to par, you can delete it, or if it's good, you can save the recording. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to increase the text size, because you can see this is very difficult to read. So once you've enlarged the text, it's great for a couple of reasons. If you're using the teleprompter to actually do a video recording, you can increase the text size and pull back a little bit so that the camera doesn't see your eyes looking down at the text. So you can move back, and say you're about 4 feet back from the camera, you're not going to be able to see that you're looking at the text, especially if you don't put your eyes back and forth. The second reason is it's a lot easier to read, and you can adjust the scroll speed. So what we're going to do here is this increases the text size. You can see we can make it bigger, or we can make it smaller. Okay, so now you can see the font size is 39 and the scroll speed is at 1. When you go to read these things, if you increase the scroll speed to 2 or you increase it to 3, it makes a big difference on how fast you have to go through this. So I mean, how fast you're reading the thing, and you don't want to be on there, you know, you can't even hear it, and it sounds very rushed, and you don't want your clients to hear something that is rushed. So what's going to happen is we're going to start the recording. So we're going to start the recording right here, and we want to make this about 20 seconds. So on the first one, I'm just going to show you what to look for. So we click the recording here, and then you can see this meter here showing that your voice is being recorded, and that you have 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds. You can stop it at any time. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop this. Bang for your buck, LeadMate is unbeatable. You get so much functionality with it, and if you tried to hire people to do the things that LeadMate does for you, I don't know whether it would be possible, but it would be a lot of money and a lot of work, and you're getting all of that for $29 a month. So we invite you to take us up on the 7-day free trial. After watching the videos and going through it yourself, you're going to see that it's fantastic. And you know, you have the time and the money would be nice. So we invite you to come to leadmate.biz. So why don't you check it out, leadmate.biz. See you on the inside.